I screwed up. Yesterday, I sent an email telling you about Ted's woodworking collection of 16,000 plans. Bad news is, I must have underestimated the amount of people who wanted to get in because Ted's server actually fell over. So, to those who wanted to sign up but couldn't, I am very sorry you got a 404-page error. This is due to an overload of traffic to the webpage that caused it to go down. However, as his way of apologizing, Ted has informed me that he will extend the offer for one more day. For those of you who missed out, click the link below to get instant access. Ted's Woodworking now. Again, this offer will end at midnight tonight. If you really want to get your hands on 16,000 projects, and I'm guessing you do or you wouldn't have even visited the site, then you should grab it right now. Remember, not only will it give you step-by-step instructions on whatever you're working on, but it will also give you tons of ideas for your next woodworking project. So, order now before the discount expires tonight. Thank you for your time and patience. Fingers crossed my servers hold up this time. Please see. I've been told that Ted will only extend this offer until midnight tonight, and this offer will not be repeated again. No pressure or anything, but if you miss this out, you'll have to pay full price in future. Click here to get access to 16,000 plans right now.